Hello my dears, welcome back. How are you all? Hope all you are going on well. In the last class, we completed the lesson Rikki Tikki Tavi from the 5th unit. Are you ready for our English class? Okay, very good. Today we are going to learn a new poem, Bed in Summer, written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He was a Scottish novelist, poet, essayist, and travel writer. His famous works included Treasure Island, Kidnapped, Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. The poem Bed in Summer depicts the worries of a boy. The boy wishes very much to play in the daylight, but his parents want him to go to bed. Okay, my dears? Listen to me. I'll recite the poem. You can also recite with me. Bed in Summer. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way, I have to go to bed by day. I have to go to bed and see the birds still hopping on the tree. Oh, hear the grown-up people's feet still going past me in the street. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue, and I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day? Okay, my dears, have a look at this picture. Here in this picture, a boy is lying on a bed. His face is full of sadness. Let's see what happened to him. In the first stanza, the boy is expressing his sadness. Okay? The boy who complains about that he doesn't like to get up early, even he doesn't like to go to bed too early. Even he says that he doesn't have his own freedom. In winter, I get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. In summer, quite the other way, I have to go to bed by day. Listen to me, my dears. In winter, the boy has to get up at night and dress by yellow candlelight. We also known as that the winter nights are longer than the days. Like that, the author also knows it. On the other hand, in summer, he has to go to bed by day as the summer days are long and hot. Okay, let's move to the second stanza. Here also the boy hates that he has to go to bed so early, because from his bed the boy can see the birds still hopping on the trees and the grown-ups walking on the street. That's why the boy hates to go to bed as early. Okay, listen to the last stanza. And does it not seem hard to you when all the sky is clear and blue, and I should like so much to play to have to go to bed by day? Listen to me, my dears. The boy is very angry to go to bed so early, because the sky is so clear and blue, and also there is so much time to play. But his parents are not ready to let him to play for a long time, because summer days are long and very hot. Children, what about you? You are also want to play more time, aren't you? But your parents don't let you to play in very hot. Am I right? Because your parents love and care you very much. Listen to me, my dears. Who is the speaker of the poem? Is it a child or a grown-up person? Yes, very good. The child is the speaker of the poem. Listen to me, my dears. Why does the child have to dress up by candlelight? Yes, very good. Because the winter nights are very cold and are longer than day. Okay. Then listen. Why does the child have to stay in bed? Yes, you are right. Because the summer days are very hot and long. Okay, my dears. Let's move on to the text activity. Take your text page number 167. Activity 1. Identify the rhythm of the song given below and add more lines to it. If I find a tailor's son, he will teach me how to stitch. He will stitch, I will stitch, we will stitch together. Okay, listen to the next stanza. If I find a painter's son, he will teach me how to paint. He will paint, I will paint, we will paint together. Okay, then how will you add more lines? Okay, who will say? Yes, very good. Listen here. If I find a teacher's son, he will teach me how to teach. He will teach, I will teach, we will teach together. Okay, my dears, you can add some other lines to this poem. You have to sing with the same rhythm. Okay, my dears. Listen to the next activity, word game. Children, to play the game, you have to follow some rules. Stand in pairs, select a word from the passage, The Great Adventure. Then you can make as many words using the letters of the word you have selected. Suppose you took the word bashfully. How many words you can make using the letters of this word? Bashfully. Okay, listen to me. Full, bash, bush, ball, lash, flash, shawl, fall, lap, etc. Okay, my dears, like that you must try to make words from the word enthusiasm. Are you ready? Okay, students, let's move on to the third activity. Page number 168. Toto-chan and Yasuki-chan had never seen a television set. What about you? Is watching television good or bad? Let's have a debate on it. Find a moderator and conduct the debate. When you debate on a topic, you will have to either support or differ on certain points. Which of the following expressions can be used to support or differ? Write the numbers in separate columns. Make use of these expressions while you debate. Okay, my dears, did you understand the rules? Okay, then you have to give the numbers suitably in each column. Okay, my dears, listen to me. I'll read the points, then you can understand which expressions are to be used for supporting and which are used to differ. First one, I strongly support. I don't agree with you. Sorry, I can't agree with you. That's a good argument, but I'm afraid you are not right. Good idea. I agree with you. That's true. I support the opinion that. That's right. I have to differ. That's not true. How can you say that? They were cooked up by stories. Well, let's think about it. I agree to my friend. That's fine. Please don't cook up stories. Please listen to me. My group supports the idea that. Okay, my dears. Then you have to give the numbers. Which are the numbers you can use in the supporting column? 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 17 and 20. Then expressions to be used to differ. Which are the numbers you will write in that column? Yes, 2, 3, 5, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18 and 19. Okay my dears, that's all for today. Now it's the time to wind up today's class. Let's meet in the next class with the rest of the activities. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you my dears.